Hey guys, Chuck Tornetta, Tortuga Ranch, and I just thought, maybe it'll be neat to let them hear what it sounds like at nighttime. And this isn't all the frogs either. I mean, I don't hear pine barren tree frogs tonight. That was a Gray's tree frog. That's a Gray's tree frog. You hear that? So we do get a lot of gray tree frogs here, Gray's tree frogs. We also have pine barrens tree frogs, which I don't hear tonight. They sound more like a honk, 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 like a goose. Screaming sound would be the American toads, or the Fowler's toads. And then we have spring peepers peeping. But that, and then I don't hear carpenter frogs tonight. So we're missing the carpenter frogs, the spring peepers. Well, I think the spring peepers are here. We're missing the carpenter frogs, and we're missing the pine barren tree frogs tonight. Other than that, this is, oh, and of course that's Eli and Mila. It's me! Stop! It's me! Anyway, this is the symphony I sleep to every night. Oh, there's a tree frog right over here. Where is it? See, shh! Shh! Quiet, it's me! You dummy dogs. Anyway, guys, this is what I listen to, what I can hear all night long. And it gets so loud that you could even hear it over the television. You could hear it over the air conditioning. You could hear it over everything. Definitely my kind of song. I love it. Very melodious. Anyway, that's Tortuga Ranch at night. Just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse. The sounds of Tortuga Ranch at night. It's misting. See the mist? Everything's wet, so the amphibians are out. I think they're toads. Pretty sure. Pretty loud. There's a bunch of tadpoles in this little pond. Oh, yep, they're toads. There's one.